Are you ready to smell good and feel good? Divine Creations Aromatherapy was designed with that in mind. How would you like to unwind a little bit more? Our Unwind formula is made with lavender, rosemary, marjoram, and cypress. It helps to relax your mind and open your heart. This oil is in the metal element category, which aligns with your third eye chakra. So it is in a indigo dark blue color. If you feel like you are thinking all the time, you're under stress, you might have a tension headache, this particular scent is really good to rub into your muscles to help with that, and also to breathe it in and feel the effect of those oils. Lavender helps calm the body. The rosemary helps clarify the mind. The cypress helps you let go of any negative energies or negative thoughts. So it's really helpful for you to use this in the evening when you need to relax. So I've designed it so that you can use it at those times. So this is great to put in your bath water or in a diffuser. You can put it on like as a perfume if you like, but I recommend using it more in a therapeutic way. So using our body cream, this helps to give you that massaging ability so you can rub those sore muscles. And this is all natural ingredients with shea butter and cocoa butter and aloe vera and cucumber extract. So while you are working on your muscles, you are getting those oils into the tissues to relax as well. Then you could also use this as a linen spray if you like that, to just gently mist your linens or spray the air. So the Unwind really does help you let go of your thinking and get more into your heart space. You could also use the oil for meditation. So if you would like to do that, you can put a drop on your pulse point and hold it up to your nose. Breathe it in, put it on your heart, and sit in meditation. I hope this helps you. If you'd like more information about this, check out our website, dc-aroma.com, and make it a great day.